Guys, look at this Model 3 we have in. So we have this actually at our body shop location. In case you guys didn't know, we have a body shop location that specializes in Tesla collision repairs, things like that. We installed a StarTech rear bumper on this Model 3. We're gonna be installing mount pass coilovers on this Model 3. We've done teen coilovers, we've done even Öhlins coilovers, and now we're doing the mount pass version. It's pretty cool that we actually installed so many different types of coilovers for the Model 3. We have not done the mount pass yet, so this is gonna be our first time doing it, so we'll see how that rides.
Yet again, we're back at it.
Are you crying? Why are you sniffing?
Already knows today.
Sure.
Without stock.
If you guys want to see us talk about these, I'll link the video for that here or somewhere down there so you can look at it. These are definitely one of the more popular kits for the Model 3, if not probably the most popular one. So we're doing a test drive now on the Mount Pass Performance coilovers.
Oi, howdy.
Let's do this. So what setting are we on right now?
We're on the middle setting.
Alright, so we have a bump here. Let's take advantage of this and see what it feels like.
Okay. Okay.
It's better than stock, right?
It's definitely better than stock.
It's better than stock. How does it compare to the teens that we've done? How does it compare to the Öhlins that we've done?
I'm still going with it. I think this is one, like, very half level above the teens. I think it's like, it's a little bit better than the teens.
Well, we said the teens improved stock quality by about 20-25%.
So I'd say this is 30% then. I'd say that's my justification. I'm gonna be able to tell right here on the lines.
It feels nice. It feels good. It feels better than stock.
Definitely more agility. Feels better.
The lines, though.
The Öhlins, you couldn't even feel these.
Yeah. How does the lines feel compared to the teens?
It feels very similar. I think the big bumps, these do just a little bit better than the teens. I'm going with 30% increase.
Okay.
Over stock.
If there's an improvement over the teens, it's not too noticeable. It's not worse than the teens.
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
I would say I'd say it's a little bit, like 5% better than the teens, and we said the teens improve at about 20-25%, so I'd say this is about 30% increase over stock.
These are about 600, 700, rough, no, 600, about 600
more
than the teens.
Mm-hmm.
Would you pay for those? Would you pay 600 more to get 5% more of an increase, or would you buy the teens?
I'd probably go with the teens. I mean, you want the best ride quality, you go with the Öhlins, but if you want the best bang for your buck, I would probably still go with the teens over this.
So regardless of which kit you decide to buy, the consensus is pretty much the same. It's going to be a lot better than stock. Of the three that we've tried, these Mount Pass Performance ones fall in the middle in terms of ride quality and price point. These are a lot closer to the teens in terms of price and performance, so I can definitely see a lot of people weighing between these two options just because they feel so similar and are closer in price than the Öhlins. This 3 is sitting at about 27 inches if you want to replicate this look. Let me know in the comments down below which coilover kit you're more leaning towards.